everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to add carrier-owned container and shipper-owned container in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into a Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, we have to select the respective shipments or jobs. On this page, we have to select the Plan Container menu. Now, click on the Edit button to add the carrier-owned container and shipper-owned container. On this Plan Container Consignment page, in the carrier-owned container and shipper-owned container column, we have to select the type of the container. Then click on the Save Changes button. This is how to add the carrier-owned container and shipper-owned container in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.